So you want just the front of your foot up onto the slant board just to give a little bit of elevation here. My back foot can go up onto the tippy toe to give me a bit more space. I'm going to do a nice long hip hinge. And then at this position here, I'm trying to keep my hips still. I'm going to rotate the upper body. And then I'm thinking about reaching as low to the floor as I can. You can hear my voice. I'm getting a nice little hamstring stretch as I do that. So a good long hip hinge, keep the shoulders up and back to start. Twist, and then you can reach and extend through the shoulder blades to find that bottom position. Yeah. Twist back across and back up top. Okay, so do that again and try and not let your back round, so keep your shoulders up and back and try and just move around the hips. So nice soft knee on your right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. That's better, Chris. Now twist. Okay, come back up. Alright. Yeah. Twist back across and back up.